Greeting my dear students, welcome to Study Circle. Myself Vaibhav Joshi from COEPians Academy, and today we are going to discuss the Study Circle science question asked to you 22nd of July 2024. The question reads like this: an object thrown vertically upwards reaches a height of 500 meter. What was its initial velocity? How long will the object take to come back to the earth? You may take G as 10 meter per second square. Remember, this question is related to the topic motion under gravity, that is gravitation. Okay, so we are going to solve this. Before you could solve, you could try to anticipate what is the question, how the quantities are given to you and what is required. Okay, so let's start with that given quantities. What given to you is an object is thrown vertically upwards and it reaches a maximum height. At that point, your final velocity would be 0. So v is equal to 0. Then it would cover by that time the distance s is equal to 500 meter. Okay, and we are asked to find out what is initial velocity u. Okay, so if we are interested in finding out this velocity and we are given s and there is no time as such at the first side required or given, then we will use v square is equal to u square plus twice as, right? So here v square will be 0, u square is what we have required, minus 2 into g into s. Why I put a equal to minus g? Because under gravity it is always vertically downwards, and according to sign conventions, and you might be knowing, the vertically downward direction is always taken as negative. So that's why it is going to be minus g, right? So you are going to substitute the values further. So therefore 0 is equal to u square minus 2 into 10 into 500. If you solve this, you will be getting u square is equal to 100 into 100, so it's 2 times 100. So your u, which is the initial velocity, as 100 meter per second. Okay, so this is the answer to the first question. Now let us discuss how long will the object take to come back to the earth. मतलब उस ऑब्जेक्ट को वापस आने में कितना समय लगेगा. Remember that the object is thrown from ground and will come back. So you have to consider the time, which is two-way time. Right now we are going to execute for the one-way time. For that we are going to use this formula, v is equal to u plus at. Why this formula? Is because we have to find out time only. Okay, so again we know velocity final is 0. Just now we have obtained u as 100. Again a is equal to minus g, and t that we have to find out. So therefore t is equal to 100 upon 10, because g is given to be 10. So this is going to be equal to 10 seconds, right? But since this is a one-way time, I told you the time taken to come back to the earth is the two-way time. Okay, so therefore time taken to come back to earth is equal to 10 plus 10, which is 20 seconds. Okay, so 20 seconds is what the final answer is. Okay, so that is the video solution for the question given to you. Hope you enjoy this, and for more like videos this, stay tuned to Study Circle at COEPians. Thank you very much.